Hello everyone. For registering for the virtual lab, the procedure is like this. For that, you need to go to Google first. Just Google COEP VLab. Then you will get the first link as portal.coep vlab.ac.in. Click on it. Then when you will receive this page, click on register. You need to fill this information like this: first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, mobile number, gender. While selecting the nodal center NC, we need to select NC 62 Sweri COE Polytechnic, Pandharpur. Then provide your college mail ID or your personal mail ID who those who don't have college mail ID. Click on I agree and click on register. When you will click on register, before clicking it, check that your email address is active and it is correct. When we click on register, you will receive email like this where you will get the login details. Where you will get your user ID. User ID will be your email address and you will get random generated password. Then come back to the main page. Click on home. Now click on sign in. Now you need to provide your email address and the password which you have received. When we sign in, you will see the page as like this. Now you need to change the password. For changing the password, click on change password. Provide old password. Then provide your new password and click on submit. Once it is done, you can come back to the home page and now you can enjoy using the various departments, and from that department you can go for various virtual labs. There are number of labs available. You can go for any of the lab which you want to use. If you look at any one of the lab, there are number of experiments given. You can click on a particular experiment to perform. You can have aim, theory, procedure for using the simulations. There are simulations are also available. We also have manuals. For any queries you can ask on my email address asbc@cod.swere.ac.in. Once you will register, your records will be generated and it will be shown to me. So go through this procedure and register on virtual labs.